Father hit him, so he socked him back and broke his nose. His house is a broken home. There's no control. He just lets his emotions go.